Hello everybody, una welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Make I let una watch this video wey dey go viral now concerning an Idibia elder brother wey dey call Wisdom, wey come outside for social media come talk the whole be say an Idibia wey say be two-face baba wife dey hold am because of all the empty promises wey be say don promise am so far so good. So my people, make I let una watch the video, then come back come tell una wetin be say I get to talk for this matter.
Nigerians, good morning. I want to clear something that is actually going on out there. I am not begging Annie to pay me for what I did not work for. I am not begging anybody for money. I just want Annie to pay me for everything I have worked for her, all the years I have put in building her own career only based on promises she made to me as a sister. For instance, the whole of last 2 years now, last year to beginning of last year to end of last year, I spent months working for Annie on a children's brand that she released. I don't know if you can remember. She released a children's brand. I was the one who designed it. I was the one who spent sleepless nights at Yaba with different tailors to sew those things. At the end of the day, I wasn't paid for it. Now, apart from that, she made promises to me that none of them she would keep. Once I do one thing wrong, she will say she's done. I will have to go back begging. Then this year, she gave me, towards the end of last year, she said I would manage her. She gave me the managing job. And then because I wasn't around for 1 week, I went back there and it took everything away from me. I've been begging Annie for a car to do Uber to at least sustain myself and my family. Annie promised and she would never release the car to me. Now, I want you to put yourself in my shoes. After working for so long with one person, only based on promises, based on that she is your sister, at the end of the day, none of the promises was fulfilled. And she took everything she had given you, even the hope, all the hope she had given you of a better life. She took everything away. Annie is so manipulative. Annie is so manipulative. Like, she just doesn't want a situation where I can stand on my own and provide for myself. She always wants me to come back to beg her, to come back to cry. At every single opportunity, she will tell me my family will suffer, my children will suffer. And I had no choice because I had put in so much time working for this woman. I designed Belvia Kids. I, Wisdom Macaulay, designed Belvia Kids. She sold it worldwide. I was never paid a dime. So I'm asking Annie now to pay me for all the jobs I've done for her, to pay me for designing Belvia Kids. For all those nights I slept at Yaba, all those nights. I'm begging her to pay me for everything I have done for her. I'm begging her to pay me. And even lately, just to avoid problems, I asked her to help me with the least cash she has for me to do Uber, that every weekend I will take it back to her. Annie refused. I begged her, she refused. I took the car yesterday with the hope that, okay, I'll just call her and say, sis, please, let me just use this, even if it's for a week or two. Since you have taken away the managing job, you've taken away everything from me, all the promises you've made, you've taken everything away. Let me just use this one to survive myself and my family. Annie sent her driver with talks. They came. I was driving along just before VGC. They came and were banging the glass. They brought out knives. I was so scared for my life. I had to run and park the car somewhere and run away for my dear life. Even as I am now, I've heard a lot of threats. She's after me. She has called my wife at home. She's threatening. I can't even go to the house because I am not safe. Nigerians, I want you to put yourself in my shoe. I have a family. I've been doing this based on, this is my sister, that at least if she makes promises that one day God will touch her heart to help me. I spent sleepless nights working for her. Even lately, even the job she did, on the Netflix job she did at a co-hotel, I wasn't paid. I was there.
First and foremost, na the person wey be say carry phone take begin dey record this man so na e be say I go even blame sef, because though I still dey thank the person, because if not be the person so begin record the recording, so we no go see con ten t wey be say we talk for social media. Secondly, make I first talk say this man so for real, e no get shame for mouth at all. E no even get shame for body. forget say his sister so na celebrities make una no forget say so many people dey for Nigeria now, so many siblings dey, some people dey wey dey get family members wey be say dey get the kind of mentality wey be say this boy get, so because say they get sister wey be say marry big man, or they get brother wey be say get business, or get entitlement say in as much as say their brother so na big man, or their sister marry big person, so say they get that entitlement of say they fit gather cruise or gather enjoy, or the sister so must to help them, or the sister so must to give them that kind of flamboyant life when they go fit live that kind of lifestyle wey be say they no work for, or wey be say they no labor for. So this and Idibia so when I first see this video so I really felt pity for her well because now I really understand the reason wey make am be say the only person wey say she get love for na be Two-Face, because make we no forget say from the voice clip wey be say leak inside last year concerning the kind of and Idibia and the Two-Face baby man wey they call Pero wey say dey for America you go hear say from the background of the audio wey be say she record she say the Two-Face family so no love her, they no welcome her into the marriage, and moreover no forget say she born girls pikin, not born boy pikin for Two-Face. Minus that one, so since when be say the matter dey happen, so na only Two-Face brother na come outside to come defend Two-Face on to take insult and Idibia. You dey feel me? So we no really get any news or any information sef from an Idibia family to take stand for her for the matter, so but for all this one, it can be say maybe na out of make they take protect their pikin, make am be say, or make they not to go elongate the fight, na make am be say none of them come outside to take talk for the matter, so but so far so good. Since when be say this boy come outside to take talk for this and Idibia matter, like as the trend now, so say and Idibia promise am heaven and earth I really look and say for real this boy he get entitlement mentality, because for real for this life my people, make I tell you nobody really owes anything, nobody, including our papa and our mama will be say born us on this life. So for real in the early stage of pikin development, so at least our papa and our mama so they get responsibility to take care of that pikin, give that pikin food, carry the pikin go school, or make the pikin go learn work or one thing or the other e get certain age when we say pikin go come grow reach the pikin need to feed on itself, because make we not forget now say because say this one and Idibia so say no dey happen to many of our Nigerian sisters and brothers, so because some people who dey for abroad sef they go dey cater for their family wey be say dey for Nigeria. Some go even get wife sef for abroad, they no go fit take care of their wife, take care of the children, but they go put their family matter of their siblings wey be say dey for Nigeria, so put for their head to the extent wey be say they go dey deprive their wife and their children of better things wey be say their wife, their family for Nigeria so go dey enjoy the kind of lifestyle. If you look from the commentary when we say this boy talking, even from the way we say he explain all the matter stuff, he already judge himself now out of the equation, because na three things now be say I pick for inside this thing. So for me the thing we say I pick be say it can be say for real and Idibia so, which is the lady when we say married Two-Face so really love this brother well, but he look and say this brother so not serious with his life. Okay fine, maybe he get some kind of brand deals when we say they go on for her life, some kind of business when we say she want to do so, but because say look and say this brother so not get what we say they do for life currently, so you go talk say okay make it come help am for the brand deals and everything. So maybe because say this brother now dey for in the middle of all the managers and the people who say they do the things together, now they come dey feel that kind of entitlement say at least he contribute the idea put, because even from the kind of illustration when we say even give self from the story when we say talk now self, he talk say na 1 week now he be say he comot for work, when he take come back to the work now say and Idibia vex now carry am comot make he no work with am again. Secondly say him beg and Idibia so Uber make he buy motor for am, make he take dey do Uber, he no gree, come go carry one of an Idibia motor say go begin dey drive down take dey do Uber. Who know whether not be club he dey carry am dey go, or take go dey carry guests around. wey be say and idibia look am say because say brother no serious for im life, so begin to say oga abeg give my motor since be say no wan come serious for life no be my matter you wan take dey serious. So some family members dey be say because of say things dey go on for your life or dey entitlement, but I'm saying all these things to say for real, if you know say you really dey capable of to take help your family people help them, but only help people who be say dey serious with their life. Because if you no help person who be say dey serious with their life, you all be like say you dey pour water for basket. Because as you dey help them, they look and see that dey entitlement, they no go wan also for their self, they no go wan do anything, they go depend on you, and in the process you dey cripple them. You no go know you dey think na help you dey help them, and e go get every say you go carry the matter reach you go tire, you go throw the matter say because say you no fit go kill yourself. You dey feel me? So secondly be say anybody who be say he promise you, try maybe say you write am for paper, try make e be say you get proof say na promise, maybe say the person sign am say yes say go fulfill am. Because promise you can fail anytime. Make you no come out dey talk say because say person promise you so and so let me come be say the thing no come last or the thing no come true again, you come dey put am for the person. Yes, na responsibility. Promise no be contract. Make e be say many people understand am, just that many people can learn it in a hard way. Who be say last it can be say if evil don come backfire for them before they come realize wetin be say they put their self into. And moreover, so this boy so na grown up man who be say he get wife, who be say he get children. So oga abeg go look for who say you fit take care of your wife and take care of your children. After all, the time we say you take decide say you wan marry wife, so I hope say you no get that for the back of your mind say na your sister, because say your sister so marry big man, say na your sister pocket and you want to dey feed your own wife and to dey feed your own children. That one so e no show say you be man. You be man who be say you get children, so make you carry the responsibility of being a man. Anyway, my people, I no wan make you be say this video too long. Anything we see you get, make you not forget to leave them for the comment section below, because I go love make I hear your opinion for this matter. You will never subscribe, make me see you try to subscribe, maybe see you press on that post notification bell sign, so that anytime we say I take upload new video, then you go be the very first way to know say I don't upload new video. Until I see you for my next video. Bye bye.